Sennocot. Each tablet contains 7.5 mg Sennosides. Taking the medicine, take the tablets with a drink of water. Dosage: adults and children over 12, 2-4 tablets. Children over 6, 1-2 tablets. What is constipation? Constipation is a fairly common and fairly uncomfortable complaint. It usually involves difficult or irregular bowel movements accompanied by hard, dry motions which can be painful to pass. People's bowel habit tends to differ. For some, a movement once a day is normal, whilst others it may be 3 times a week. If your bowel routine changes and you get abdominal discomfort or a bloated feeling, you may be constipated. What causes constipation? Constipation can be caused by illness, reaction to medicines, changes in lifestyle, or even today's hectic pace of life, which can lead to putting off going to the toilet. HOB to relieve constipation with Sennocot. Sennocot works by giving a gentle stimulus to the bowel, so you're unlikely to find yourself rushing with extreme urgency to the toilet. The correct dose of Sennocot is the smallest required to achieve satisfactory results, so follow the guidelines given in the Taking the Methane section. Sennocot. Product information. What is in your medicine? Each tablet contains standardized Senna equivalent to 7.5 mg total Sennosides calculated as Sennoside B. Tablets also contain lactose. Sennocot tablets are used to relieve occasional constipation. Before taking the medicine, if laxatives are needed every day or abdominal pain persists, consult your doctor. Laxatives should not be taken without your doctor's advice if you have sharp or persistent stomach pain, or if your abdomen is tender to the touch or hurts when you move about. Use in pregnancy or during breastfeeding. Sennocot may be used during pregnancy for the relief of occasional constipation. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Clinical studies have shown that breastfed infants or mothers taking Sennocot did not experience side effects to the drug. After taking the medicine, temporary mild griping may occur during adjustment of dosage. Overdosage. If you accidentally take too much Sennocot, consult your doctor for advice. If diarrhea is severe, drink generous amounts of fluid, especially fruit juice. Click below. Amazon. https://amazon/ to buy the product. Click subscribe to Users Productions YouTube channel.